Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this wired gain controller to Google TV streamer 4K device. See, here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. Here I will be using this USB Type-C to Type-C cable to connect this PS5 DualSense gain controller to Google TV streamer 4K. See, you can find this USB Type-C port on the back side of this gain controller. Let me connect one end of this cable to this port. Done. Then other end of this cable I am going to connect to Google TV streamer 4K device. Let me connect other end of this cable to this USB Type-C port of this USB hub. Okay, done. See, this is a setup. So this way, using this multi-port USB hub, we can connect this wired gain controller to Google TV streamer 4K device. So let me test it. See, I am able to play this game using this gain controller. So this way we can connect wired gain controller to Google TV streamer 4K device. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.